We saw this yesterday, got it again today. Pretty much all this week, we're going to start out with morning temperatures in the 30s or even 20s, thankfully offsetting some of those colder temperatures with a bit of sunshine today and tomorrow before our next chance of rain, which will be on Thursday. Freeze warnings in effect until 8 o'clock this morning, and then again for tomorrow morning as well. So very little change to how cold it's going to get. So if you're up and at 'em first thing in the morning, if you have to walk the dog before sunrise, that is when it's going to be outright at its coldest. With our temperatures having been below the freezing mark even through now the middle part of May, only spot that's still below freezing as of 7:20 is the Ritzville area. And thankfully that sunshine is helping to get us out of the 20s and low 30s back into the at least mid to upper 30s, even as of 7 o'clock in the morning hours. So that sunshine working us a treat for the early morning. And then by the afternoon, expecting about 58 for the high today in Spokane, and should be even a little bit warmer yet for central Washington. High pressure over the interior northwest, helping to just calm things down across the region. We still had another day of scattered showers about the region, but that being settled down thanks to the more stable atmosphere that high pressure is going to deliver for our region. But we still have the cooler temperatures simply because the overarching weather pattern is this huge trough over the west coast. So that is not going to change. That is why our temperatures are going to be as cold as what we're forecasting pretty much every single morning this week. But as we look ahead to our future tracker Thursday morning, here's our next storm system. Rain over Seattle and Portland during the morning hours on Thursday, as you see 7 a.m. there. And as we progress the time frame to about 7, 8 o'clock in the evening hours, that's when this band of rain will be pushing through the inland northwest. Now, overnight, Thursday night into Friday morning, this is where things get perhaps a little bit uncomfortable with our forecast, because while it looks like most of the precipitation is continuing to retreat to the north and northeast, well, those freezing levels start to drop in those overnight hours. How low will they go? About 2,500 feet, which gets really close to the elevation of some of our area cities. So just hoping the precip is gone by the time we get closer towards that freezing mark. Otherwise, we're going to have to start to include perhaps a wintry mix in the forecast for Friday morning. For now, I'm just going to stick to my guns, and I've only put rain in the forecast for that Thursday night and Friday morning. And next week, not much improvement, where we will still to experience near to below average temperatures. The best I can get is 66 degrees for Sunday, Monday of next week.